In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange sections on your LinkedIn profile step by step. First, open your web browser and go to linkedin.com. Log in to your LinkedIn account if you are not already signed in. Next, click on your profile picture or your name at the top, then select View Profile. This will open your LinkedIn profile page. Now, look for the Edit Profile option. On your profile, scroll down and click on Add Profile section. From the menu, select Core, Experience, or any section you want to manage. To rearrange sections, click on the pencil or edit icon next to a section like Experience, Education, or Skills. In some sections, you'll see a drag handle or arrows that allow you to move items up or down. Simply drag the section or item to your preferred position. For example, you can move your Experience section above Education or place Skills higher on your profile. After rearranging, make sure to click Save so your changes are applied. That's it. You've successfully rearranged your LinkedIn profile sections to better highlight your strengths and experience. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.